Hey, our friends, to celebrate the Lunar New Year, we thought it would be fun to draw
a dragon.
Yeah, it's the year of the dragon, and so we're going to draw a really cute one and a cool one. We hope you're going to follow along. You need your drawing supplies. You ready to start?
Yeah.
Let's start with our dragon's face, and we're going to draw a really funny face. I'm going to draw a little W for the mouth, and I'm drawing it over here to the left so that we have room for the tail on the right side. Then let's draw an eye. I'm going to draw it this big. And then I'm going to draw another circle this big, same size, on the other side. And then let's draw a smaller circle in the top left for the highlight to make the eyes shiny. And then let's color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. Now let's draw the shape of our dragon's head. I'm going to draw a little curve coming down next to the eye. And then we're going to draw a little cheek sticking out like this. But watch, I'm not going to draw that same cheek on the right side. I'm just going to draw it curving up. This way our dragon looks like it's kind of looking to the left. Oh, that's super cute. Okay, now let's draw the extra details. We're going to draw some decorations on our dragon's head. Let's start by drawing a circle right here at the end of the right side of the head. Yeah. And then let's draw another circle, but we're only drawing part of it. I'm going to draw it like this. And there we go. We're going to make the circles look 3D. We're going to draw another one right next to that one. And then let's draw another one that's even kind of bigger, right? And this one's kind of in the middle of our dragon's head. Then let's draw another one that's a little smaller next to it. And I'm going to keep going until we get close. Well, till we connect to the left side. And we got this row of circles, or they look like spheres or balls that are going across our dragon's head. Okay, now let's add even more details. I'm going to add a spike over here. So let's draw a sideways V shape. Then I'm going to add another sideways V shape. And then two smaller ones connecting into the bottom of the head. Okay, let's draw that same kind of shape over here, but we're going to draw it a lot smaller. So I'm going to draw sideways V, another sideways V, and then we're going to draw two smaller ones coming into the cheek. Yes, okay, now let's add another row of these circles going over the top of our dragon's head. So I'm going to draw one right here, and then we'll add another one, and then let's add one more connecting to the center. Okay, let's add a couple going this way on the other side of this center ball. And then we're going to add another one right there, and then maybe one last one right at the end. So we got 3 on each side. Now let's draw another spike right here. So I'm going to draw one coming out further than that first one we drew. Then we're going to draw another one that's a little smaller. Oh, and then let's draw maybe 2 more and connect into the bottom. Okay, let's add those spikes over here, but I'm just going to add 2, and that's it. Now let's give our dragon some horns. I'm going to draw one horn coming out of the top right here. So we'll draw a curve coming up. And then let's draw a curve coming back down, but towards the bottom I'm going to get thicker. Let's draw that same horn. I'm going to draw it over here, coming up. And then we can draw it curving back down too. Let's add another horn. I'm going to draw it a little bit bigger. We're just coming out further to the side. And I went kind of fast, so you can pause the video if you need extra time. There you go. And then curve back down and connect next to the spikes. Yes! Okay, let's add that same horn over here too. Now let's draw our dragon's body, and we're going to keep it really simple. Let's just draw 2 lines coming down. Then we're going to draw our dragon's feet, and I'm going to draw one curve like this. And then over here, I'm going to draw another curve that matches. And then right here, let's connect the 2 feet together. Yeah, okay, now let's draw our dragon's tail. We're gonna start here, and we'll draw another curve coming down from the cheek. And then we'll start right here on the foot, and let's draw an S curve. We'll come up, back down, and then let's curve up again, but I'm gonna come even higher. Then we're gonna draw the top side of the tail, and we'll start here, and as we get towards the end, we'll get closer until we come to a point. Now let's draw little designs on the back of our dragon. I'm gonna draw a little backward C shape, and then we can draw upside down U's, coming back to the end of the tail. And as I get towards the end, I'm getting a little smaller too. Then here at the end of the tail, let's draw another decoration. I'm gonna draw this kind of sideways U shape, but it also curls out. Yeah, and then let's draw a curve coming in, and then a curve going out. Oh, let's also add whiskers to our dragon. I'm gonna draw 2 little curves coming out of the cheek on the left and also on the right. Hadley, we did it! We finished drawing our dragons, except we still need to
color them.
Yes, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video to match our same coloring, or
you could color it any way you want.
Yeah, you ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Hadley, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our dragons. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
You promise?
Mm-hmm.
I love how cute yours turned out. We also even added a lantern, which I think looks super cool.
You could add even more things.
Yeah, you could add more dragons or even more lanterns.
Maybe even fireworks.
Oh, fireworks would be perfect. If you have our same Art for Kids Hub markers and you want to use the exact same colors, use 15 red, 33 yellow, 17 pink, 23 orange, and what was the blue color that we used? Kind of a blue-green.
63.
Yeah.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a dragon.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun. And we also want to wish you a happy Lunar New Year. And we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.